Hi, today we're going to be opening up Entry Play My Little Pony collectible card game. So it's a CCG, not a TCG, but a CCG 12 card booster pack. This is the PREMiERE edition, or the PREMiERE edition ones. Well, I got that dollar store. So, dollar store is where I picked this up at. Let's open it up and see who we got in here. The official Hasbro license, Entry Play license, the website, right there. All links down below in the description there. So yeah. I don't know, I felt like there was one card left in there. But it's not. Just kind of felt a little weird when I took them out. So we have Granny Smith, Rubber Chicken, Parasite, Paramedic, yeah, you know, it's hard to say. I'm still getting over a cold, so. Excuse me. Willona, Apple Brown Betty, Peach Pearl Stitch. Who is Gabby Gums? Rainbow Shine, Fiddle Fitter. Let's get this party started. Ooh, that's a pretty good card right there. Main phase, draw 3 cards. Hey, that's not a bad card right there. Emergency dance order. And last we got creativity. So common, 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 rare, ultra rare, or uncommon. I believe that's an uncommon one right there. Uncommon and uncommon. So yeah, that has been the opening of Entry Play Hasbro's My Little Pony CCG collectible card game 12 card PREMiERE pack. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.